Hungary, a landlocked Central European gem, is steeped in history and culture. Budapest, the capital, straddles the Danube River, showcasing both Buda's historic Castle Hill and Pest's vibrant boulevards. The thermal baths, like Széchenyi and Gellért, offer relaxation in elegant settings. The stunning Parliament building, a Gothic Revival masterpiece, is a highlight. Hungary's countryside boasts charming villages, rolling vineyards, and Lake Balaton, Central Europe's largest freshwater lake. Rich in traditions, Hungary hosts lively festivals celebrating folk music, dance, and culinary delights. From historic sites to natural wonders, Hungary's warm embrace and diverse attractions make it a captivating destination. Top 10 places to visit in Hungary. 1. Budapest, the capital city, is a harmonious blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. From the iconic Buda Castle to the stunning Parliament building along the Danube River, Budapest boasts a wealth of architectural wonders, thermal baths, and vibrant markets. 2. Eger, known for its historic castle and thermal baths, Eger also offers a beautiful Baroque town centre with charming cobblestone streets. The Eger Cathedral and Valley of the Beautiful Women, a hub of wine cellars, are must-see attractions. 3. Debrecen, Hungary's second-largest city, is famous for its great Reformed church and impressive Protestant college. The Hortobágy National Park nearby is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers a glimpse of traditional Hungarian landscapes. 4. Szentendre, a picturesque town on the Danube, Szentendre is celebrated for its artistic atmosphere, colorful houses, and numerous galleries. It's a perfect spot to explore Hungarian folk culture and contemporary art. 5. Lake Balaton, Central Europe's largest freshwater lake, offers a picturesque escape with its turquoise waters and surrounding vineyards. It's a popular destination for sailing, water sports, and relaxation. 6. Hollókő. This UNESCO-listed village provides a step back in time with its well-preserved traditional architecture and rich folk heritage. Visitors can experience local crafts, folklore, and festivals. 7. Pécs, known for its rich history and diverse architecture, Pécs boasts Roman ruins, Turkish mosques, and a charming old town. The Zolnay Cultural Quarter and the Pécs Cathedral are highlights. 8. Aggtelek National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this park is famous for its extensive cave systems. The Aggtelek and Slovak karst caves offer breathtaking underground formations. 9. Hortobágy National Park, as the first national park in Hungary, Hortobágy is a UNESCO site preserving the traditional Puszta landscape and showcasing the unique relationship between nature and people. 10. Tokaj, a historic wine region famous for its sweet Tokaji wines. Visitors can explore cellars, vineyards, and enjoy wine tastings while appreciating the scenic beauty of the surrounding countryside. Which city do you want next? Thanks for watching.